Do you want to learn how to log out of Suno AI mobile and PC? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So on mobile, what you have to do is first click on this on the bottom right. And then on the top right, you're going to find the cog icon. Click on that. And inside here, you're going to find the logout button. So if you click on this, it's going to log you out of Suno AI on mobile. Now let's move on to PC, and I'm going to show you how to log out from Suno AI on website. So open up your Chrome web browser or any web browser that you're currently working on where suno.com is active. You will see that I'm currently logged in, and on the left hand side on the top below Suno logo, I'll find this. So click on it and you'll find the sign out button. Just click on that and you'll be logged out from Suno AI on your web browser. And that's it. That's how to log out from Suno AI on web browser and the mobile app. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more AI guides and more Suno tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.